Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Instagram account so someone else can actually manage it safely. So first, simply open the Instagram app and go to your profile. From here, you can then tap on the three lines, then account, and then sharing to other apps. From here, you're then going to have to make sure that your account is connected to a Facebook page. So this is required for admin roles. Next, you can then open the Facebook page that's linked to your Instagram account. So from here, you can then go to settings, then page roles, then assign a new page role. So this is now the part where you can then type in the person's name or email and select admin. And once you do that, you can then click add, and you might also be asked to enter your password to confirm. So once added, they will then have full admin access to manage posts, comments, and even your account settings for your Instagram through the linked Facebook page. And after this, your Instagram account can be safely managed by multiple admins. And that's it. So that's how to add an admin to your Instagram account. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.